Well, good Friday morning here on August 12th. I'm just leaving the town of Thermopolis and I am en route to going to the Wyoming BDR Section 5, heading west out of Lander, Wyoming. Currently, I'm heading southwest, traveling along the Wind River Canyon, which leads toward the Boise State Park, and then from there onto the Shoshone, and then Riverton, and then I will be arriving in Lander, Wyoming toward mid-noon. Yeah, the Wind River Canyon coming into Thermopolis is very special to me because this is the first place that I came upon in my 2018 KLR 650 video trip, which was my first ever motorcycle video trip. And I pulled over just to look at the Wind River, and when I came in the evening, I just thought it was magnificent. The colors of the river against the canyon walls, I just couldn't believe it. And that's my first trip doing video on a motorcycle. So it's really amazing to me to this day. I still enjoy coming through here, and I enjoy coming to the town of Thermopolis and hitting the hot springs and having a good dinner with a cold beer. So in summary, riding these roads, this Wind River Canyon really is the start of magnificent country as you head north on into Cody and beyond. Well, I'm just coming into Lander, Wyoming here off of Highway 789, and I'm going to go ahead and make the junction with Highway 131 and head for Sinks Canyon State Park. I'm probably not going to get the chance to stop at the state park itself and check out the fish in the pool or whatever, which a lot of people do on Section 5. This is just going to be a beautiful ride heading on up toward the West Wind River Mountains and going into the Shoshone National Forest. Probably my last day of cooling off before heading south into Hayden, Colorado tomorrow. I'm very fortunate having the ability to climb up another mountain on my WR 250 and relax and go through these upcoming curves on 131. What a high. This would be a great ride for any motorcycle climbing up on this mountain, but keep in mind, I understand a few miles up it does turn into gravel road. But going through the curves is well worth it on any bike. I find myself so fortunate having the ability to go on another ride like this. I just have to thank God so much that I'm able to be out here and witness this country today. You know, one of the main reasons I make these YouTube videos is just to show you guys what is possible if you're out on a motorcycle, and some of the sights that you can possibly see and witness is just unbelievable. I have to say, on these motorcycle adventure rides that I've been on, I remember every one of them on these long rides going through these mountain ranges, and I think of them quite often when I want relaxation. What a beautiful ride for a bike. Look at those clouds ahead of me. Boy, do they look bad. Quite a bit of video up on the hill here, but I'm sure there'll be some people that can't ride their bikes and appreciate just seeing the ride. So I'm kind of running a little long here today. There's a lake. Beautiful mountains up there. Well, we're on road 300 right now on the Backcountry Discovery Route, Section 5. It's really nice up here. I plan on going home today. But I might just have to camp another night. Camp another night up here. This is nice and cool because tomorrow I have to go down. Well, later on, if I leave this hill, I'll be down in the high plains again where the hot 100-degree weather is, where I could stay up here and set up my chair and my jet boil and cook what food I've got. Might be fun. Here's our shot of the lily pad pond. Always like to look at those. And there it is up on 300 here. I love to mess around there. I'll see if I get a camp spot or not. Hoping to get something like this. This kind of country would be beautiful. I'm not quite ready to go home yet. Oh, there's a few more lilies over there. All right. Hear that? They call this guy Popo, little Popo. If I get a sign here, I don't see it. We'll have to look at it here in just a bit. We got quite a dumping of rain up here this evening. I'm up here on the 300 road. I thought I'd do another night to camp in here. Whole camp is drenched. I just luckily got this tent up in time because it's been raining here for 2 hours straight. You can see over here water holes I got. And that's a lot of frickin' rain, huh? This place was dry when I came in here. I mean, it was dry as all get out. And look at the rain that dumped here. Plenty of it. Just sit in that tent for 2 frickin' hours waiting for this stuff to get done with. Yeah, maybe that'll clear the little water off it. GoPro got drenched too. So, anyways, that's what it looks like with the water. And my motorcycle jacket's just drenched, but I do have rain gear, so I'm not too worried about that. But I don't know if I could have beat this storm going home today or not. Been down the lower country. I don't know if I would have beat it, but oh well. All things shall pass is what they say, and that's what I had to wait for with this rainstorm. I didn't come out to get any of my gear because I just get wet with the dry clothing that I had, so I didn't want to do that. So I think I'll go ahead and fire up. Well, I got to notify the wife with the little Garmin satellite. Text her a message I won't be home tonight, so I thought I'd do another night's of camping here. Hate to go home so quick. Okay, we'll catch you a little later here. This here is the Upper Wind River coming out toward Thermopolis, Wyoming. What a beautiful sight. Check out that water. Wow. Look how clear it is. I think they got more water in Wyoming than they do in Colorado. Look at those ledges up there. Wow. I had to pull over going through this canyon here. Been riding all day and having rains here this afternoon and crosswinds, but this is some beautiful stuff right here. Look at that. Wow. Check out that water. Like to go fishing down there with the boat. Man. What kind of fish are in it? Jeez.